US Israel Iran war. Google, Microsoft, IBM, Apple, Tesla, Boeing to come under Iran's attack.
IRGC threatens major U.S. tech and industrial firms. Iran's Revolutionary Guards have threatened to target major U.S. technology and industrial companies from April 1st, in what they describe as retaliation for attacks on Iranian territory, according to state media reports. The statement named 18 companies, including Microsoft, Google, Apple, Intel, IBM, Tesla, and Boeing, warning that their regional operations could be hit. Among the firms listed were Cisco, HP, Intel, Oracle, Microsoft, Apple, Google, Meta, IBM, Dell, Palantir, NVIDIA, JP Morgan, Tesla, General Electric, Spire Solutions, G42, and Boeing. These companies should expect the destruction of their respective units in exchange for each terror act in Iran starting from 8 p.m. Tehran time on Wednesday, April 1st, the IRGC said in its statement. This is Mr. Tick YouTube channel.